You're not stuck because you're broken. You're stuck because you're blind to what's been running your reactions. You can't change what you refuse to look at. Most people move through life on autopilot, triggered, shut down, frustrated, and never stop to ask why. They think that's just how life is. The truth is, there's always something deeper underneath the emotion. If you don't slow down and get honest about it, it'll keep running the show. That's what awareness is. Not labeling yourself as an overthinker, not repeating affirmations you don't believe. It's the skill of noticing your emotional responses as they're happening and getting curious about them. Not judging them, just observing them. Here's what I want you to do over the next few days. Anytime you feel angry, anxious, discouraged, depressed, or emotionally off, stop and take a note. Write down exactly what happened before that feeling hit. What were you thinking? What fears or stories popped up in your head? Be specific and be honest. There's no sugarcoating this. This isn't journaling just for the sake of journaling. It's pattern exposure. Because once you can clearly see what's been driving you, you're no longer at its mercy. You become the one making the decisions, not your unconscious baggage. If you want to learn more, comment below or send me a DM. Stay present, stay positive, and keep embracing your transformation.